Disasters happen around the world, and unfortunately, many people died not only during these events, but also after them, because they cannot be found and rescued in time. Now the question is whether there is a way that can help rescue team to find injured people and save their lives. We believe the answer is yes. Using drone can be an effective solution for search and rescue. But first, we need to answer three fundamental questions. What kind of drone should be used? Are ordinary quadcopters that can you find in any store suitable choice for search and rescue? Do they have enough agility to enter harsh and complex environment? Second, is it possible to use a group of drones instead of just single drone? Third, how can we navigate them? Is it possible to make them completely autonomous, or given the fact that people's life in danger, is it better to keep the human as an operator? To answer these questions, I started my PhD thesis. I am Sahand, and I want to navigate multiple drones by human operator. My research has three important aspects. First, we use a special kind of drones that can move in any direction, which make them more suitable and agile for search and rescue mission. Second, it is almost impossible for human to operate and navigate multiple drones simultaneously. So, we need to distribute the navigation task between human and drones and create communication links between them. Third, we use a special kind of remote controller called Haptic device. This device can help human to perceive the environment better. Imagine that the drone is near the obstacle and you can't see the obstacle properly. So the drone sends the command to Haptic device and does not let you to move a drone in a direction that creates a collision. At the end, I hope that the outcomes of my research can help rescue teams to find injured people and save their lives. Thank you.